Hey YouTube, and welcome to Silent Code Dev. Welcome to day 49. I think it's 49, right? Of becoming a front-end developer from zero. So yeah, if you watched the previous video, I said that I was gonna upload in the morning. You can look at the time now and you can like guess, yeah, I messed that up. So yeah guys, I'm telling you guys, like right now I'm so busy. I'm always busy, right? I feels like I'm literally racing against the clock because I just got so much to do. Work, family. So yeah. And also I'm trying to stay fit, right? Because for me that's like the most important thing, like staying fit, exercising and stuff. So and it just makes it very hard to code. Of course, me having two jobs, like yeah, it's gonna be a lot like that. So I need to think of a way to calm down because I want to, like, I can see the potential with this, but it's like if I have so much shit going on that I'm starting to have issues, right? Because now I can't really practice coding. And this is, by the way, why I decided to upload every day, because let's say I didn't do this, right? I would completely just let go of coding, right? Because even 5 minutes, dedicating 5 minutes to this is better than nothing, right? So because this is what I want to do. I want to become better, but it's just I need to find time. So some days it's just, because now it's like the reason I want to wrap up the video is because I need to sleep, right? I know that if I stay up late, I could do that, but it's like, I don't want to do it because I need sleep. Sleep is imperative. So yeah guys, in the previous video I also forgot, right? I made this one, but this one doesn't make sense because it's like, if I click outside of add to cart, this is gonna stop working, right? It's just exit. So that means that I need to, I don't know if this should be at the bottom. Let's try. So I'm gonna put this here. And of course we need to just close this. Okay. Yeah, so it's not supposed to do that. So yeah. Yeah, but it's not item, but it's like because the button and yeah guys, I hate it, like when I'm trying to do this every day, in my head I have like a perfect way I want to do it, but it's like, so I know, like, if you're watching this video and you're like, it's like, yeah, but it's not gonna be perfect, right? And the point of this is not for it to be perfect, right? I am a perfectionist, so I want to upload a video, I want to record, upload, and I want everything to be perfect, right? Because I know people are gonna watch it. But the point of these videos is to see, I want you guys to see me struggle, right? Yeah, so it's for you guys to see me like make mistakes and stuff like that, you know. That's the point, and that's what I can help with. Like, I can help you with being consistent, learning to code, right? Because that's what you need. If you can do that, if you have someone that can help you with that, you will be able to learn, especially if you have time. I don't have time, you know, but I force myself to do it. Yeah, here. So this is inside amount changer, right? So we need to target that, and we need to target the, so because we are doing this, right? But that's not really working. So we need to redo this. So what I'm thinking is that we are gonna so we can use this one. So we can say class increment. Let's see, it should work. It's working. Oh my god, yes. Because I was thinking, I was like, yeah, but it doesn't make sense to click that, right? Because this, right, e-target refers to this, right? But we want to get to the button. Oh my god, okay. So we know that's working. So we're gonna rule that. And we're gonna say decrement. And then the amount is, let's see. Okay, so it's not changing the amount, because now we need to figure out, like, we need to figure out, yeah, this is also wrong. Oh my god, guys, I understand though. So we can just say, because it's in the amount, toggle amount changes, so it's gonna be like this. But it's not query selector. Yeah, it should be like that, right? Toggle amount, let me see. Amount. So it should be in the, it should be here, right? So we should target the P. So all I gotta do is just like do like that. Nope. Okay. Maybe I need to, oh, I need to do that. apparently. Didn't I do that? Yeah. Amount changer P. Okay. Yeah, here we're setting to 0, so we're gonna do like that. Don't know why it should be working, guys. I don't know why it's not working. But that's when I click this one. Yeah, because we already have a value there. So what if I remove? What if I remove the value? Oh. What? That makes sense because I think that in the other ones I don't have anything. So why do I have like that? I don't know what I've done. I mean, I have a span, right? But here I have like a button. What in the world? Okay. Yeah, I have this. This is what I have. Sorry, guys. So I have this one. So I need to replace it like that. And this should be... So 1, this should be the first one. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 9. So what we can do is we can... Oh, it should work because now we don't have any value here, right? This value is coming from JavaScript. Because if I do like 2, yes. I don't know why it doesn't want to increment. Because it's the string. So yeah, because if I do like this, right? If I do amount dots content equals 4. If I do this, okay, nothing happens. Oh my god, man. Why is it not working? Yeah, toggle amount is amount changer. Right, and then this amount is the actual so let me see. Yeah, we're doing that. Oh god. Increment. Does it need to be the text content? Because it's like you want to access the text content, right? Text. But when I do it like that, it becomes 0. Alright guys, that's it. So at least we managed to fix the issue, right? So the issue in this video, if we want to learn anything, is that this, because we had this up here, right? Because we have to understand like the return keyword, when fired off, it's gonna exit the function. So if you have this like on top, it's not gonna execute everything else, but now it's gonna execute this, you know. So yeah, okay guys, that's it. Again, I'm sorry for if you expected more. It's just like I don't have time, but at least I uploaded, right? And I will upload more, and I will do a like, I don't want to say a revamp, but I will change my description, and I will add like more things to my channel as I grow, because I do want to become better. I told you guys I want to become better, and I want to be able to help people as well. But right now, yeah, if you're watching this in the future, I've been struggling, man. I've been struggling. All right guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and peace.